Random room, yay!
Caleb pushes Henry. And you guys gonna switch?
You done?
Now Henry pushes and Caleb gets in, huh?
Denver bobsled team, under 2 division.
Okay, Caleb's gonna get in.
They both went up to the front. How did I get done pushing both of you?
Did they fit?
Really? Henry's feet are a little bit hanging off the edge there.
Oh my God.
There we go.
Are you gonna push Caleb? You gonna push Caleb now? You push Caleb. Caleb's like, no, I'm done. He's like, get me out of here. Oh my God. Nobody's want to push.
No, he's pushing it now. You got to wait for him to be done pushing it. And then you can put stuff in it if you want.
Nice, hard 90.